And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Many of us woke up to a winter wonderland this morning. Fall is no longer, and it seems like we have just transported into wintertime. Beautiful view from Fountain Creek with the leaves covered in snow. A beautiful view from Woodland Park. Thank you, Carol. And Allie brought Chunk out for his first snowstorm in Security Wide Field this morning. Very cute puppy. So our top snow reports in the last 24 hours. I'll continue to update these through the night, but San Isabel definitely taking the cake in the wet mountains. 28 inches, 20 for Rye. Beulah about 17, 6 to 12 for Colorado Springs. Woodland Park about 16, 14 in Westcliff. And we'll continue to add on to these totals because this storm is not done yet. Right now you can see that center of circulation and the atmosphere is right over the Four Corners region. And that might be something that you recognize. A Four Corners low is really good for snow all along I-25. This is going to swing over to Albuquerque tomorrow, and Albuquerque low also gives us good moisture, especially for the southern I-25 corridor, and they are going to get slammed in Los Animas County and the southern Sangres over the next couple of days. So this storm is very slow and it's going to continue to provide snowfall for us through Saturday morning. We have a fresh batch of warnings in place from tonight through Saturday morning. And this will just add on to the tough travel that we've had today. And even tonight, we're already seeing some roads ice over again after melting this afternoon a bit. So the storm severity is a way to show where it's going to be the worst in terms of travel the next couple of days. So over the next 3 days, we'll have moderate to extreme impacts on the roads, especially towards Trinidad, Raton Pass. If anywhere in southern Colorado is going to see a major road closure for I-25, I think that's over Raton Pass. I think that's very likely. So I would not recommend travel there, and check with CDOT before you head out the door. The best way to do that would be cotrip.org. And right now, I-25, it is not clear at Monument Hill. It looks snow covered and icy right now, and that's going to continue to be the case across our region tonight. We have active snow showers in place. They're definitely hit or miss right now, and do expect that to be the trend over the next 24 to 48 hours. You'll see brief periods where it's not snowing. You'll see brief periods where it's snowing very heavily. Especially on Thursday morning, we're going to get another surge of heavy snow rates, 1 to 2 inches per hour. We might see that die down a little bit by Thursday night, but then we'll see another surge of moisture coming in Friday morning. So this snow is not letting up, and it will continue to accumulate. The snow totals are actually going to be kind of hard to really total effectively because we'll have some melting, we'll have some compression, but we're going to try to keep up to date on those snow totals for you here at News 5. By Saturday morning, the storm finally moves out and we'll be shoveling out. Some of us shoveling out a lot of snowfall. So here's a broad view of snow over the next couple of days from now through Saturday, 5 a.m. when those warnings expire. In the Pikes Peak region, Colorado Springs, you'll get another half a foot to a foot of snow, up to 1.5 feet for the northern portions of El Paso County and Teller County. Along the Arkansas River between Pueblo, Canyon City, about half a foot, as much as a foot. And then we'll see up to 2 feet, maybe even 3 again for the wet mountain region. And then southern I-25 into the southern Sangres, La Vida, Weston, Cuchara, Trinidad, Aguilar, Walsenburg. You could see 2 to 3 feet of snow through Saturday morning. So this is where I'm most concerned about you being snowed in for a couple of days and very, very tough travel, if not impassable roads. So in terms of our temperatures, yeah, it's going to be cold, teens and 20s tonight, 20s and 30s tomorrow. And looking ahead, it's just going to be snow as the forecast the next 2 days. We are going to clear out over the weekend, 50s by Sunday. We stay in the 50s early next week. For Pueblo, snow showers over the next 2 days, temperatures in the 30s, rebounding to the 40s over the weekend, 50s next week. Canyon City, 30s with snow showers the next 2 days. You have that winter storm warning. 50s return on Sunday. The snow thaws and we will see sunshine return. Woodland Park, you could see some light snow lingering early on Saturday morning, but it then will clear out quite nicely through the end of the weekend.